Hi, my name is Wajeeh Chaudhry. I go to the University of Liverpool. I've been there for 2 years studying mechanical engineering. During my second year, I decided that I would like to do a placement year to get a bit of experience in the industry, so I decided to apply for JCB. And I've been here for nearly a year now. My plan for the future is to complete this placement year, then go back to university for 2 more years, complete a master's and then return to JCB in either a quality role or a design role. In September I started applying and I saw JCB and I applied there. Very soon after I was invited for an assessment centre. I got the phone call saying I've been accepted, and straight on the spot I accepted my job offer, and I've been asked to be involved in a new project, so I've decided to not take part in my summer holidays and I've decided to carry on for 5 more weeks. During my year at JCB, I've been given many opportunities to have a great impact. During my second placement in land power quality, we reduced the defects per unit seen by the customers by nearly 60% in just a 5-month period. I think that's a great change, and I was given the opportunity to make that change by the people working with me and the senior staff at JCB, who have been very helpful throughout my entire time. I've had 3 fantastic placements, and so far I know that I definitely want to return to land power, which is responsible for the fast track. I think it's a great product and I definitely want to be involved with the fast track. What makes me proud is that it's one big family here. Everyone looks out for each other, everyone's working together. No one leaves you to it. If you're struggling with an issue, there's plenty of people who will be more than willing to come and help you, sit with you for a couple hours, make sure that you're doing okay, make sure you're doing the right things. And I think whenever you need help, there's so many people around you and that you never feel alone here. I think it's just a great place to work. I definitely think that JCB fits my personality and matches my values. I think the sense of urgency here, I think the work ethic, the work rates, I think the people here as well, I think it's a great place to work, and I definitely want to return here after I've finished my degree at university.